Primary 4 Mathematics, First Midterm, Chapter 1, Numbers to 10,000, for a textbook, page numbers from 1 to 6. Learning outcomes. After studying this chapter, you should be able to count, read and write numbers up to 10,000. Know the value of each digit in a 4-digit number. Contents or the subtopics. First one, numbers to 10,000, textbook page number 2. Place value, thousands, hundreds, tens and ones in textbook page number 6. First subtopic, numbers to 10,000. Children, can you remember this thing? This image? Can you remember these sets? Each set has 100 cubes. Right? Each set has 100 cubes. How many cubes are there below? How to count? Since each set has 100 cubes, first of all we have to count the number of sets in here. Shall we count? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. That means in here there are 10 sets. In each set has 100 cubes. That means 100, 200, 300, 400, 500, 600, 700, 800, 900 and how much? 1000. After 900, 1000 is coming. That means in here altogether 1000 cubes are there. There are 1000 cubes. Shall we go to some examples, children? First one, how many books are there? How many books are there? Right now look at this one. In here 1000 books are there. In here 1000 books are there. In this set 100 books are there, 100 books are there, 100 books are there. Altogether how many books are there? 300 books are there. Then in here 10 books, 10 books, 10 books, 10 books, 10 books. That means altogether how many books are there? 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. 50 books are there. Then in here another one book is there. Then to find the number of whole books or total books, we have to add these all values. 1000 plus 300, then 51. How to write that one then? 1351. How to write that value in words? 1351. 1351. That means in here there are altogether 1351 books. Second example, how many cubes are there? How many cubes are there? First we count these cubes. In here, as we know, each set has 100 cubes. Then we'll count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. That means altogether 1000 cubes are there. Then we go to this part. Then here 100, 200, 300, 400, 500, 600, 700, 800. In first part we have 1000 cubes. Then in here we have 800 cubes. Then we'll go to third part. Here how many cubes are there? In this one set There are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 cubes are there, right? In each set we have 10 cubes, but here we have 3 sets. That means altogether 30 cubes are there. Here we have 30. Then here we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 cubes, right? Then we have to count all together. That means here we have 1000, here we have 800, here we have 30, and here we have 6. That means there are altogether 1836 cubes, right? This is the way of writing that 1836 in numerals, and this is the way of writing that 1836 in words. Within brackets I have given that one. 1836. Third example. How many cubes are there? How many cubes are there? As we already know, in this big cube has 1000 cubes. In this big cube has 1000 small cubes. Then to find the number of cubes, we have to count these big cubes. Here we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. This each big cube or this each set has 1000 cubes. Then shall we count 1000, 2000, 3000, 4000, 5000, 6000, 7000, 8000, 9000, then 10,000. After 9,000, 10,000 is coming. Then there are 10,000 cubes. Fourth example. Match each butterfly to its flower. Here 3 butterflies are there. 3 values are there. We have to match these values to the relevant flower with numerals. First one is 7308. Then 7308 means third flower. Then correct answer for the first butterfly is third flower. Then second one 7803. 7803. First one is the answer 7803. Next one 7083. 7083. Then already second answer is there. Then second one is the answer for this 7083. Next example. Write these numbers in numerals. Write these numbers in numerals. These numbers are given in words, and we have to write these numbers in numerals. In numerals means using numbers. First one 4234. How to write them? First have to write 4000, then 200, then 34. 4234. B1. 5033. 5033 should be last two numbers. Then here we have to write 0. 5000, no hundreds, no hundreds. Then 0, then 33. Then C1. 2107. 2000, then 107. Then no tens are there. Then we have to write that 0. 2107. D1. 9989. 9989. In here, when we are going to write these numbers in numerals, have to find these special words. 1000, then 100, and then 30 means tens, and then ones. Like using those words, we have to write these numerals. Here 4000. First one we have to write thousands here. Then we have to write hundreds. Then we have to write tens. Then we have to write ones. Like that way you have to write. This is the way of writing in numerals, and this is the way of writing numbers in or writing values in words. Now it's time to you. First one, take out your 4A textbook, then turn to page number 4 and 5. There's a on your own activity. You have to write the answers for this on your own activity in the textbook itself. Then second one, now take out your workbooks, turn to page number 1 and 2. There's worksheet 1. Right? You can see that worksheet 1. We have to complete that one as well. Second subtopic is place value, that is thousands, hundreds, tens and ones. In here we are going to learn about thousands, hundreds, tens and ones. What are those places? Do you know? What are thousands? What are hundreds? What are tens? And what are ones? We'll go to first example. Can you see this image? In this image you can see there are 4 columns. They are thousands, hundreds, tens and ones. You have to remember these orders. That means you have to remember this order. First one thousands, then hundreds, then tens, then ones. Then shall we count? How many pictures are there? Or how many big cubes are there? That means 2. That means in thousands column we have 2. Then we'll go to hundreds column. In hundreds column, how many sets are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That means here there are 5 sets in hundreds column. Then we'll go to tens column. In tens column, how many bars are there? 1, 2, 3. There are 3 bars. Then we'll go to ones column. In ones column, there are 1, 2, 3, 4 cubes. Then shall we count? In thousands column, there are 2 thousands. Then in hundreds column, 5 hundreds. Then in tens column, 3 tens. Then in ones column, 4 ones. Then how to write those things in as a numeral, as a number? Then 2000. Thousands, first we have thousands. Then we have to write the relevant number first. Then 2. Then in hundreds column 5. Then 5. Then in tens column 3. Then in ones column 4. 2000s means we can write that one as 2000 here. Then 500s are there. That means we can write that one as 500s. Then 3 tens are there. Then we can write that one as 30. Then 4 ones are there. Then 4. After adding these 4 values, 2534 is coming. In that previous number 2534, the digit 2 is in thousands place. Children, the thing you have to remember is when we are taking a number, it can be a 2-digit number or 3-digit number or 4-digit number. Always in right hand side digit, first value shows the ones place. Then second value shows the tens place. Then third value shows the hundreds place. Then next one shows the thousands place. Right? Here I am taking this value for an example. This is 2534. In this number, in always, right? Always in a number, right hand side first digit shows ones. That means that is ones place. Then this one second value shows tens place. Then third value shows or indicates hundreds place. Then fourth value shows thousands place. You have to consider from right hand side to left hand side. Right hand side to left hand side. Right? Then right hand side to left hand side. Don't mix that one. Right hand side first value should be ones place. Then next value should be tens place. Then next one should be hundreds place. Then next one should be thousands place. Then in here the digit 2 is in thousands place. Right? That means it stands for 2000s and has a value of 2000. Then the digit 5 is in hundreds place and it stands for 500s and has a value of 500. Then the digit 3 is in tens place. It stands for 3 tens and has the value of 30. Then the digit 4 is in ones place. It stands for 4 ones and has a value of 4. Right? The value of 4 is 4 and it's in ones place. The value of digit 3 is 30 and it's in tens place. The value of digit 5 is 500 and it's in hundreds place. The value of digit 2 is 2000 and that digit 2 is in thousands place. Second example. Here in this number we can see 4 columns like previous way. As I told you, in right hand side first digit should be ones. Here in ones column we have 9, then tens column 0, hundreds column 7, thousands column 4. That means here we have 4000s, 700s, 0 tens and 9 ones. This is the way of writing that number in numerals. 4000s means 4000. We can write that one in numerals like this way. Then 700s. Then 0 tens means value should be 0. No? Then 9 nines. Then 9. In the number 4709, the digit 4 is in thousands place and it stands for 4000s and has the value of 4000. Right? Then digit 7 is in hundreds place. It stands for 700s and has a value of 700. Then digit 0 is in tens place. It stands for 0 tens and has a value of 0. Then the digit 9 is in ones place. It stands for 9 ones and has a value of 9. We have to remember these things, right? This 9 is in 9 ones place and has a value of 9. This 0 is in tens place and has the value of 0. Then the 7 is in hundreds place and the value is 700. Then this 4 is in thousands place and the value is 4000. Example 3. Here also we can see a grid: thousands, hundreds, tens and ones. Right hand side first value should be ones, as I told you. Then here we have 3000s, then 700s, then 5 tens, then 1 ones. 3000s, then 700s, then 5 tens, and then 1 ones. Then how to write that one? As number or numerals? 3751. 3000s means we can write that one in numerals as 3000. Then 700s means value is 700. 5 tens means value is 50. 1 ones means value is 1. In this 3751 number, the digit 3 is in thousands place, and it stands for 3000s and has a value of 3000. Then digit 7 is in hundreds place. It stands for 700s and has a value of 700. Then this 5 is in tens place, and it stands for 5 tens and has a value of 50. Then this 1 is in ones place, and it stands for 1 ones, that means has a value of 1. Fourth example, in the number 2564, the digit 2 is in thousands place, and it stands for 2000s and has a value of 2000. Right? The digit 5 is in hundreds place, and it stands for 500s and has a value of 500. Then the digit 6 is in tens place. It stands for 6 tens and has a value of 60. The digit 4 is in ones place. It stands for 4 ones and has a value of 4. Right? Then we can expand this 2564 as 2000 plus 500 plus 60 plus 4, or else 2000s, 500s, 6 tens and 4 ones. The thing you have to remember is place values and places. This digit, as I told you, always in right hand side first value indicates ones, then second value shows tens, then third value shows hundreds, and then next value shows, fourth value shows thousands. You have to start from right hand side. Right? In here, 4, the value of digit 4 is 4 and the place is ones. Then the value of digit 6 is 60 and the place is tens place. The value of digit 5 is 500 and the place is hundreds. The value of digit 2 is 2000 and the place is thousands. Now it's time to you. Now take out your 4-8 textbook, turn to page number 9 and 10. There's a on your own activity. You have to write the answers in the book itself. Then second one, take out your workbooks, turn to page number 3, 4 and 5. There's worksheet 2. You have to complete that one as well. Here I have given an extra exercise for you. That is, first one, write these numbers in numerals. These numbers are given in words. You have to write these numbers in numerals. First one, 3003. Second one, 2202. Next one, 7717. Next question, write these numbers in words. In first question, we have to write these 3 numbers in numerals. In the second question, we have to write these numbers in words. First one, what is this number? 7050 means 7050. Then next one, 1114. Next one, 3232. We have to write these answers in the writing book. This is the summary of this chapter. Basically, we have learned about the place values or the places of a number. Here I have taken 4-digit number. Normally in a 4-digit number, I'm starting from right hand side first digit. Always right hand side first digit should be ones place. Then second digit should be tens place. Then next one should be hundreds place. Then fourth one should be thousands place. You have to start from right hand side, right? That means in here 9 ones are there, 0 tens are there, 5 hundreds are there, 3 thousands are there. We can write this 3509 as 3000 plus 500 plus 0 plus 9, or as 3000s, 500s, 0 tens and 9 ones. Have to remember the places and the values separately. The place of this digit 9 is ones and the value of that digit 9 is 9. The place of the digit 0 is tens and the value of that digit 0 is 0. The place of this 5 is hundreds and the value of this 5 is 500. Then the place of this digit 3 is thousands and the value of that digit 3 is 3000. This is the end of the chapter.